Alright, you YouTubers, we're gonna show you this glass bottle we're shooting with our BB gun. And I'll bring it up close to see. There are holes in it. We shot it, it broke. If you can see the holes in it. Alright, Connor, hold this steady. I need to hold this so I can shoot it. This is going on YouTube. Let's see how many views I get. And after I'm done, if you can please subscribe. Don't press that button. Just hold it where you can see it. You see the bottom? You see the bottom? Yep. Right there. Right there. Alright. This is with my Stinger s32p. You should buy it. It's a really good gun. Let me reload. And we're going to do one more fire at it. And I'm going to go. Alright. And 3, 2, 1, now. Alright, and we are done. That is the bottle after we did.